The Walla Walla River Basin's rain-on-snow event resulted in historic flows on most streams and rivers in the region. Milton Freewater experienced erosion damage washing out over 1,100 feet of levee in numerous locations on both sides of the Walla Walla River. In the aftermath, the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers Walla Walla District shifted their focus from flood fighting to helping restore some of the surrounding flooded and infected areas.
So during the historic flood event earlier this year, the Corps closed 2 breaches in Milton Freewater Levee. The Corps completed emergency repairs in order to give the level of protection back to the city.
We had 2 breaches of the left and right banks of the levee system here. So we're able to get a contract issued very quickly. In fact, we had construction workers on site 9 days after the breach, and they made quick work of the levee repairs. In fact, they made the repairs in just over 3 weeks. So we completed the major repairs in February, but there's still some work to do. Throughout the system, we have damages up and down the Walla Walla River.
After the emergency repairs were completed, a team came out and inspected the levee to see what the damages were. Through our process in emergency management, we can actually continue the repairs, issuing the contracts and fixing the scour areas, and also any other damage that occurred to ensure that the emergency repairs brought the level of protection all the way back up.
We're going to issue another contract and fix the remaining damaged sites this fall.